Eloi Consulting. PLM and CAD support, implementation and consulting services. Get most out of your PLM and CAD software. Hello, I am Sarah, from Eloi Consulting Services. Today I am going to tell you about our PLM and CAD services offering. Being in line with new technologies is very important for any product to thrive and grow in the marketplace. Having that insurance of having a maintenance and support partner helps you to concentrate on your business goals. In our maintenance contract, we offer support, upgrade, constant improvements to the PLM application, adapting your PLM and CAD applications, the growing needs of the business, with us covering your PLM and CAD application support. You can focus on your business activities. We understand business challenges, hence we are offering maintenance support contracts that suit your needs. Starting from 1-week support activities to full cover for the entire lifespan of your PLM and CAD application, we assign a dedicated team member who will capture the growing needs of your PLM and CAD applications and provide you with continuous improvement solutions. Please visit our website eloiconsulting.com, where we offer various PLM and CAD support packages for your business needs.